Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on Microsoft Surface Go 3. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start and open our settings. Then let's find the personalization. Here you should find the background, which is a wallpaper by itself. And then now there's a few different options. You can select picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows Spotlight right here. If you want to set your own image as wallpaper, make sure that it's in the picture. And then right here you'll find browse photos, click on it and find the path to your file and set it as your wallpaper. And other options are, as I mentioned, solid color, so that means you can pick one color to be your wallpaper. There's also slideshow, which will basically show many different pictures from your slideshow folder in pictures. And there's also option to get Windows Spotlight, which will set different wallpapers all the time and it will change between them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.